Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will share with you a very good trading strategy based on price action. So I hope you like. What I'm doing right now is tracing all the support and resistance level. I already did on this pair. Remember, we are trading on this OTC market, which is, it's Saturday, so the regular market is closed. What I'm doing right now because of time, because I had a long time without uploading videos to this channel, just because I don't have a lot of time to do it. But I hope you like this content. And I already trace all the support and resistance level that I want to trade on these pairs, and this one too. So I just missed this one, and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing I do is to take the high, the maximum high, the higher high. I place my resistance, and then I take the lower low too of all of this session. Remember, this is 1 minute chart because I trade for 1 minute expiration. So then I take this high, I also take this lower low, and I zoom in to see the most recent highs and lows. So I also trace them with this kind of line. So guys, it's very simple. Anyway, I want you to see the previous videos where I explain very detailed some strategies based on the support and resistance level too. So I think it can help you a lot. Alright, so we have another low here, and I can double this line to trace this support. So as simple as that. So what I usually do is to wait until the price touch one of this line, or this, and how the market react on these areas. The same here. For example, I can see that the market is respecting this trend line. Because every time it get there, it reverse. Okay, so that's what it's doing right now with this candlestick. Or if it breaks it down, for example in this case, I can also consider to go with that breakout. Let me place an example. For example, in this case, it broke that line down, and it was okay if I enter a trade here on the next candlestick, because remember, it's 1 minute expiration. For example, let me see. Right here we have another example. It's breaking up the market is breaking up this resistance line. So I hope for this candlestick to close and evaluate the breakup, how the breakup was. So let me check, because here it was taking a long time to to make this base So if it's going to break up, it's very likelihood to touch this line at the end of this day. Alright, now I'm preparing myself to take an entry, but this kind of entry I like to take it just right here in this zone below the close of the previous candlestick. Otherwise I prefer to let it go. And no, I don't have time to enter, so it didn't give me an opportunity, so I prefer to wait. Let me check. This was another breakup. It was good, this one, but we didn't see it on time. Alright, it's like in this case, this is the zone where I like to enter. It's like an optimum price. Let me check. Alright, this breakup was wonderful. We could make several entries. This one too. Let me see if I have time to go up again. No, it's okay. If I lose this one, if I lose this trade, I can wait for another entry close to this line, to the blue line, because the blue line serves as a support in this case. Remember, after a breakout like this one, there's always a pullback, you know. So sometimes the pullback is very fast. It goes up and then touch the blue line and then keep going higher and higher. And that's what I wait. I wait for the pullback to go higher. Simple as that. So guys, we won this trade. Let me see if it does what I would like to see. I mean, to touch or get a little bit closer to this blue line. I can make another entry, and here again, this was a great break up. Here we can consider to make an entry to the lower side, you know, but we need to wait for a very bearish candlestick. What it is a bearish candlestick? Here we have a very good bearish candlestick, or something like this, just right here in this area, and we can enter a trade. Or a pin bar. What is a pin bar? Well, let me see if we can see. If we see something like this, I mean upward side here, we can go in. Yeah, this candlestick now. If this candlestick close below this low, it is a good signal to go down below this. Let me check. No, it doesn't convince me, so I prefer to wait a little bit more. Let me check here. So right. Okay guys, we had the opportunity because the market touched my blue line, but what happens here? Here is a little bit different. The case is different because the market closed below the support level, so it's not very good, that signal. So I prefer to let it go and wait until the market touch this line again. So let me see if I can find out another good opportunity. For example, in this case, I'm waiting for a pullback to this area, more or less to this area, and then keep going higher. Here we go. It's making the pullback, so let's wait. Look, this was a very good candlestick, but it got rejected just right here. Right. Wow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me see what's going on. Now that the market made a new high, what I usually do is to trace another line, resistance line, to see if the market break up. If it break up, if breaks up this resistance level, I can wait for another trade, similar trade like this one. Break up, pull back, enter on the pullback, and go higher.